boys and girls, Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and today we're going to talk about big changes to the Mercedes AMG C63. Now this is for the 2021 model year. If you see my videos, here's some spy shots of the new car. If you see my videos, you know that last year we drove the C63S on the track, and it was a blast to drive. At the end of that track session, I said I love that car. I would definitely buy it. Well, there are big changes, as you can't see in these pictures, from the 2021 model, and we'll go over them in this video. Remember, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. We're posting 5 videos a week instead of 3, since we're all home. I figure you guys have some more time to watch YouTube. Like and share this video so our channel can grow, and as always, leave a positive comment below. All right, so big changes for 2021. The biggest change, and I guess that's to be expected, it's going to go all-wheel drive. So Mercedes had always said the C63 would stay rear drive. That was kind of the nature of the car. It has gone all-wheel drive. So I guess it's good for people who want to use it as a daily driver, especially where I live in the Northeast, but I will definitely miss the tail-happy nature of the car. Now there's a new engine. This is going to be really big news, and it's what we all feared. We were always hoping that it would stay with the V8. You know, originally it was a 6.2-liter natural aspirated V8. Then it dropped in here in the United States, 2015 model year, went to a 4-liter twin turbo in C63S form, just over 500 horsepower, and that's what I drove, and it was a blast to drive. Well, unfortunately, in the sake of efficiency, and efficiency is definitely a good thing, they're going down to a 2-liter 4-cylinder. Ouch, 2-liter 4-cylinder with hybrid assistance. Now the 2-liter 4-cylinder is actually a really good engine. It's in the AMG A45. Now I had a GLA 45, which I loved. In the AMG A45, this engine produces as much as 416 horsepower, 369 foot-pounds of torque. Now the way they're going to make the extra power, since they're losing 2 cylinders, it's going to gain a 48-volt gearbox mounted starter motor. And that's similar to the one that's already found in the CLS 53 4MATIC. And what's great about the starter motor, it gives you 22 horsepower, additional 22 horsepower, but more importantly, 184 foot-pounds of electric boost. So in essence, the 2021 C63 is actually going to have more power. Now the only transmission available will be the 9-speed torque converter automatic. Again, it's going to be all-wheel drive. So it'll be a car that's going to actually outperform the current C63, be more efficient, get better gas mileage, and more usable. And obviously you can expect to get that power to the ground. Now the car you've been looking at in the video is what I drove last year, the current C63. And what I loved about that was the engine, and most importantly, the sound. So definitely we're going to get a more usable car, realistically. I would expect the 0 to 60 times, 0 to 100 times to be much quicker, because all-wheel drive will help put that power to the ground. I drove it at the track at a real cold fall day where it was only like 30 degrees in the morning, and as you can see in the video, it was tail happy the whole time. And but I didn't really enjoy the car. But again, what I enjoyed the most of it was the sound, honestly. So obviously this new with electric assist will have a ton of power. We shouldn't have to worry about that. We're going to have a ton of torque because we have the electric assist. We'll have the all-wheel drive, get the power to the ground. You know, Mercedes, I'm sure, will do a great job, but we're losing the V8 so quick. So what's that going to do? That begs the question, what's going to happen to the current values of the C63? Usually when the new model comes out, everybody wants the new model, and the old model, which is right now the current model, depreciates like a rock because everybody's trading in their car, selling to get the latest and greatest. Unfortunately, well, it could be the latest and greatest the way you look at it, but I think there's going to be a lot of us, including myself, that's really going to miss that V8 engine. So will the V8 engine hold their value since this is the last of the V8s? Will they drop like a rock because the new car will be so efficient, so much power, and now we'll be able to get that to the ground with the all-wheel drive? Well, I'm going to do another video on that. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you won't want to miss that next video when we'll go over everything about the value of the V8 C63. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Thank you for 12,000 subscribers. Appreciate that. And cheers to many more. Stay safe, guys, and I will see you next time.
I won't break free, just like me.